Good morning everyone and welcome to my Sociology MCQ Part 5. I am Sudhanya Gupta. Let's start the topic. In the Indian context, the sex ratio dash above can be the considered as favorable to the females. That is, the answer will be 950. H. C. Cooley distinguished between the primary and the secondary group. Another noted sociologist is also with the group study explored the implicit of the Dedic relationship and compared them to the tragic ones. He also discussed the nature of the superordinate and subordinate relationship, the characteristics of the secret society, and the other social phenomena at the macro sociological level. So the answer will be Jesse Moreno or J.L. Moreno. The name is Jesse Moreno or J.L. Moreno. Who is known as the French Sorokin? The answer is the Georges Gurevich. हार्मोनिस्टिक्स का मतलब क्या होता है? दैट इज द एक्सप्लेनिंग. किसी भी चीज का जो डिस्क्रिप्शन होता है उसी को हार्मोनिस्टिक बोलते हैं. Which terms describe the theory according to which essence of the phenomena of the society and culture consist in their dynamic and the development character? The answer will be heroicism. Sorry, the answer will be historicism. Who wrote The Poverty of the Historicism in 1957? The answer will be the Karl Popper. The experimental study is based on the law that is the single variable. In the given series, the median is 72, 71.5, 71 and 72.5. So the answer will be 71.5. In the positively skewed distribution of the value of the mode this is minimum. The one method which satisfied the factor of the reversal test under the prices of the index method that is the Fisher's ideal method. So what is Fisher's ideal method? Fisher's formula is called the ideal formula in the sense of the time of the reversal test and the factors reversal test are the satisfied. It used when the prices of the quantities and the base and the observation of the period are quite different. Consider the following statement. Auguste Comte proposed a theory of evolutionary social changes dividing into the three stages of, of thought: the religious stage, the metaphysical stage, and the scientific stage. According to the Herbert Spencer evolutionary theory, human societies evolved from the barbarian to civilized. So which statement is or are correct? So one is only correct. अगस्त कोम्टे जो स्टेटमेंट है वही करेक्ट है. बाकी स्टेटमेंट जो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट है वो करेक्ट नहीं है. Who wrote The Poverty of the Historicism in 1957? The answer will be the Karl Popper. Which among the following is not true? So the solidarity of the autonomous nuclear family depends on the largely upon both A and B. A and B क्या है? A is sexual attraction between husband and wife. Definitely companionship between parents and children. Yes, both A and B are true. Nuclear family in its volarized form the consist of, the answer will be number A, parents of the same children and the children of the same parents. In the given series, the median is 72, 71.5, 71 and 72.5. So the answer will be 71.5. So the state of the process is adjustment, conflict of the situation in which overt expressions of the holistic are avoided and the certain compensatory advantages economy and the social or the psychological are gained by the both sides, while the leaving of the source conflict unresolved are allowing to the structural inequalities giving rise to the uh, monetary subordination of the priest. This is the definitions of accommodation. So accommodation का जो definition है यही है accommodation का definition. According to the whom, the decline of the semi-autonomous groups within the society, such as the voluntary associations, local communities, and the neighborhoods, gives the rise of the feelings of the alienation and the making such the people more available of the appeals of the extremist group. So the answer will be the W. Kornhauser, the politics of the mass society. So this is the right answer. Identify the person he felt that was the social life, a change from a simple complex forms from a homogeneous to the heterogeneous, and with the society of the integration of the whole, the differentiation of the parts of the developed many of the complex ideas in his principles of the society. So the right answer will be Herbert Spencer. So thank you so much. That's all for now. Please keep watching and please subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye.